In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for the very first time. If you've watched my previous videos, you'll know that I think building skills, especially using AI, is one of the most important things to do today, especially if you want to level up your life, profession, or business. ChatGPT is an amazing tool. I've been using it to learn a bunch of skills, and it is a game changer. In this video, I'll go over different techniques and prompts just to give you enough confidence to start using it. And you'll know exactly how to use ChatGPT to learn things on your own. So let's get started. For the very first step, you will open your browser and type in chat.openai.com or just click the link in the description below. Then in order to use it, you will need an account with OpenAI, which is the company behind this innovation. So simply click sign up and create an OpenAI account. Here you will fill out the email, pick your password. After verifying your email and the phone that connects with your account, you will be ready to go. Welcome to ChatGPT interface. So as you can see, it's going to welcome you with certain tips that you should follow. Firstly, you can start asking away any questions you have, and it will start generating the answers. But also it gives you caution that you shouldn't share any sensitive personal information or about a company. And thirdly, always make sure that the facts are correct, okay? They are still training the model, so do not expect everything being 100% accurate, okay? Now we are using the latest ChatGPT interface that was released in early November. And so this is already includes huge advancement. Previously, you were only able to upload PDF with, I think it was like 8 pages, and now ChatGPT can work up to 300 pages long PDFs, which is incredible. So here it just tells you that ChatGPT can now browse the web for you, analyze data, and generate images. In this video, all the images that you are seeing, I actually generated them directly in ChatGPT, and therefore they are original. Very first prompt, I just want to show you how easy this is. I need, of course, a title for this YouTube video. So my prompt says, please help me to generate a title for a YouTube video that is going to teach the basics of how to use ChatGPT. Within seconds, it replies, oh, I would be happy to help you come up with a title for a YouTube video. Since you are teaching the basics of how to use ChatGPT, here is a title suggestion. So the first title is ChatGPT 101, Mastering the Basics of Conversational AI. You've got always option to come back and have another kind of dialogue, with ChatGPT. So this time, okay, you only gave me one option. So my next prompt is give me another 3 to pick from. Make sure they are engaging and catchy. So immediately it's already thinking and generating other proposed ideas. And as you can see, there are 3 options. 1, unlock the power of ChatGPT. 2, converse like Pro. And 3rd, ChatGPT demystified. Okay. So as you can see, you can so quickly generate business ideas, any kind of video content, instructions, and that's what actually makes this AI, this ChatGPT, so powerful and engaging and worth using it on a daily basis. Right now, the ChatGPT 3.5 version is free to anyone, but you can upgrade at a low $20 a month, and you've got access to more powerful ChatGPT 4. So as you can see, I'm already subscribed, so all I do is just navigate between the 3.5 to ChatGPT 4 versions. Just to show you the difference between the ideas generated under the free version versus the 4 version. The difference shouldn't be too big, but here it is. So I'm starting with the same prompt. Please help me to generate a title for my YouTube video. ChatGPT responding, Mastering ChatGPT, a beginner's guide to harnessing AI conversation. So you might say it has a little bit more sophistication behind the title. Then I ask it, please provide 3 additional titles that are engaging and catchy. again, I'm using exactly the same prompt, and ChatGPT just responded with 3 proposals. They are a little bit different, but still as good as the previous one. But sometimes you just might not be happy with the title proposals. And the best thing about ChatGPT, you can go back and challenge it. So we are not happy. We are a very high quality client. So I'm going to go back and say, I'm not happy with the proposed titles, propose new ones that will rank as number 1 in YouTube. Be bold, brave, and original. Okay, so let's see what is going to come up. Okay, here we are, 3 new titles, and they sound definitely bolder than before. The first one says Conquer ChatGPT, the ultimate status toolkit for AI mastery. I love it. Second, ChatGPT demystified, skyrocket your AI skills from 0 to hero. Sounds very good. And the last one is revolutionize your ChatGPT for absolute beginners. So you can see that the last set of the titles are definitely more punchy and definitely kind of scream of like, click on this YouTube video. I'm really interested to learn about ChatGPT. So now, the next prompt, what you can do is you can generate images in ChatGPT. So here I'm going to ask, can you create a thumbnail image that fits in this YouTube video? Of course, I need it to have it in the 16:9 ratio. Okay, and I'm just providing Conquer ChatGPT, the ultimate status toolkit for AI mastery. Okay, so I'm giving it a title and I'm asking, give me an image that is going to be suitable for this YouTube video. And here we are. The image seems quite powerful, right? It definitely screams of AI kind of feel to it, right? So, and it says, here is the thumbnail image designed for your YouTube video titled Conquer ChatGPT, the ultimate status toolkit for AI mastery. Okay. So as you can see, you can not only give them a prompt to generate YouTube videos, anything to do with the marketing, but also you can give it to generate images that you can insert for your presentations and any kind of social media. We worked hard the whole day and now we are preparing for our dinner. So why don't we ask ChatGPT to propose some kind of dinner plans based on what's in our fridge? So I'm saying I've got some eggs, chicken, kale and butternut squash, and I'm asking, give me some ideas, ideally 3 recipes, and list the ingredients I might need to buy outside what the ones that I've got at home. So provide also images of my potential dinner ideas, and ideally I would like to have something with a high protein and lots of juicy vegetables. So let's see what I'm eating tonight. And as you can see, very quickly, it has given us some ideas. So first, we can have chicken and kale stir fry with the butternut squash. Second recipe is butternut squash and kale frittatas. Ooh, sounds delicious. And then the third one, we can do roasted chicken breast with kale and butternut squash salad. Wow. And it gives us the ingredients to buy, okay, as well as how to make the recipe. So now let's follow up how these meals can look like, okay, and maybe, you know, images speak 1,000 words, so maybe I might just gravitate to one specific recipe based on the temptations of how it looks like. They look definitely delicious and probably I can eat all 3 of them. Okay. So as you can see, ChatGPT isn't just for professionals, isn't just for businesses. It can be easily integrated into normal households. And at the end of the day, we have worked hard, we have ate a delicious dinner, and now all I want to do is maybe start working on my hobbies. You know, I love going to the ocean for a nice walk. So why don't I start writing a blog? My title of my blog can be, Why Does the Ocean Calm the Soul? So I'm asking ChatGPT to write me 2,000 word blog and to explain uplift and also provide 3 images that might be included in my blog. I want it to be a highly inspirational read. My time, first, what it does, it kind of gives you an outline, which is great, right? Because you need to have a certain structure when you're writing, and then you can expand on each of the sections as you go. Provided us with an introduction, then a straight, you have to write around 500 words around the ocean and the mind. The third sections will be another 500 words recommendation about the ocean and the body. The next section is about the ocean and the spirit, and then also a conclusion. You can see here are the proposed images. They are beautiful, they are original, they are yours. You can just click on them, look at the prompts, download them, and just use them in your blogging or any kind of presentations. Me, of course, the outline, it has given me the proposed images. So the last step that is left is I'm going to ask ChatGPT to actually give me the 2,000 word blog idea. Okay, and all you do is just fill it out, and let's see what it's going to come back with. The speed of this AI program is beyond any comprehension. And how I look at it is, you got a foundation of 2,000 words of an outline of images. So the idea to generating a first draft, instead of you spending a couple of hours, now you've got it within seconds, and you start building it from there. Okay, here it is. It's beautifully written, and it's totally up to you now just to make it your own art. I hope I've given you enough confidence to start using ChatGPT. As you can see, the applications are endless, and trust me, I'm going to be issuing even more tutorials for you to actually become the master in AI. Okay, ciao.